We are starting this weekend, this Friday, on a beautiful note, seeing plenty of sunshine, but we are definitely starting to feel this heat. 89 degrees here in Jackson, dew point of 74 degrees. We're already feeling like the mid-90s across portions of the metro. But one good news for this forecast is that we're not seeing any rain across the metro right now, or really across the Magnolia State. The only area of rain that we're seeing in the southeast is from this little tropical disturbance we've been tracking and is moving north-northwest towards Corpus Christi and Houston, Texas. We're not anticipating any rain from this little tropical disturbance, but we could see maybe some scattered showers in the forecast. Unfortunately, any rain that we do see today is not going to affect the heat or the anticipated heat that we're expecting. Temperatures are climbing into the low 90s across the Magnolia State right now, but we are already feeling like the upper 90s, and we're feeling like 104 in Vicksburg, Mississippi. By this afternoon, we are going to see those heat indices or feel like temperatures climb well within the triple digits across the metro and Magnolia State. So just anticipate a very hot and humid afternoon in store for us for this Friday, and really hot and humid weekend. And especially, we're going to see those highs climbing into the low 90s, but essentially with humidity, taking into account, temperatures are irrelevant because it's going to feel like the triple digits by this afternoon. So we have that tropical disturbance affecting Texas. We also have some dry air trying to make its way into Mississippi and the metro, which if it does successfully make its way towards us, it will limit any rain chances that we're anticipating this weekend. And then, of course, the big weather story for the East Coast is Florence. So we're kind of wedged in between these three weather patterns, and unfortunately, it's looking to stay that way through the upcoming weekend. So Florence still bit of a beast of a storm as it's continuing to move its way inland, and will continue to take a little bit of a dip. It'll move inland, kind of take a dip south, and then make its way towards Pennsylvania and New York as a low pressure system. It'll continue to decline, but the storm's so wide it's already bringing torrential downpours to the East Coast, and it's expecting to bring more because of how stagnant it is. Another area that we're keeping our eye on is Tropical Depression Isaac. Now, it's not anticipated to impact us over the next 5 days, but it is bringing heavy rain to Puerto Rico and the outer bands of Isaac, and will continue to move west-northwest, could impact Jamaica in the next 5 days. So scattered showers are in the forecast for today. For Friday night football, could see some scattered showers as we're anticipating kickoff time, but after the sun sets, like we've seen the past couple of Fridays, we'll see rain chances on the decline. And then for our OT spotlight game with Northwest Rankin and Brandon, we can expect those temperatures to stay in the 80s. Could see some scattered showers. Andrew, one thing that I noticed last week when we went to the OT spotlight game is that a lot of parents brought umbrellas for the anticipated rain, but then it didn't end up raining, but they used it to protect the sun. So they were pretty smart. I mean, an umbrella can be used for, rain and then blocking the sun. So if you don't see any rain at Friday night football games,
okay, it becomes a parasol at that point,
yes,
right?
It does.
Okay, thank you so much.